many people may not know is their association with the ancient city of Granada in Spain. The city's name, Granada, actually derives from the Spanish word for pomegranate, granada. The reason behind this connection is the abundance of pomegranate trees that once grew in the region. Pomegranates were not only cherished for their delicious taste, but also held symbolic value in the local culture. Even today, you can find pomegranate motifs in Granada's architecture, artwork, and local traditions, serving as a reminder of the fruit's historical and cultural significance. Welcome to another fascinating episode of our historical journey. Today, we delve into the captivating story of the pomegranate, a fruit deeply rooted in the annals of human civilization. From ancient mythology to religious symbolism and even modern-day culinary delights, the pomegranate has left an indelible mark on our history. Join us as we uncover the mystical allure and remarkable tales surrounding this cherished fruit. Our story begins in the ancient lands of Mesopotamia, where the pomegranate first gained prominence over 4,000 years ago. Mesopotamian legends spoke of a mystical garden, a paradise known as the Garden of the Gods. Within its lush confines grew the pomegranate tree, believed to possess the secret of immortality. This sacred fruit captured the imagination of countless civilizations that followed, becoming a symbol of life, fertility, and regeneration. Transitioning to the realm of Greek mythology, we encounter the mesmerizing tale of Persephone, daughter of Zeus and Demeter, the goddess of agriculture. Hades, god of the underworld, abducted Persephone and made her his queen. During her time in the realm of the dead, Persephone was tricked into consuming 6 seeds from a pomegranate. This act forever bound her to the underworld, ensuring that she would spend 6 months of each year in Hades' domain and the remaining 6 with her mother on Earth. The pomegranate seeds became a poignant symbol of the changing seasons, with Persephone's return heralding the arrival of spring. Please don't forget to like the video and please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our daily video uploads. Also, do leave a comment below suggesting which fruit you'd like to know more about. Thank you. Fast forward to ancient Persia, where the pomegranate became a potent symbol of power and abundance. The fruit's many seeds were associated with fertility and prosperity. As the Persian Empire expanded, so did the pomegranate's influence. It adorned the regalia of kings and queens and featured prominently in Persian art, architecture, and even on coins. Its captivating beauty and mythical connotations made it an emblem of wealth and divine favor. As time passed, the pomegranate found its way into religious practices and texts. In Judaism, the fruit was seen as a symbol of righteousness and fertility, and it is said that pomegranates adorned the robes of high priests. The pomegranate is mentioned several times in the Bible, with its clusters of seeds representing the abundance of blessings. In Christianity, the fruit became associated with the resurrection and everlasting life. Concluding our journey through time, we arrive in the present day, where the pomegranate continues to captivate us with its unique flavor and health benefits. Its ruby-red arils, bursting with tangy sweetness, have become a sought-after ingredient in cuisine around the world. The pomegranate's rich history, steeped in mythology, spirituality, and cultural significance, has earned it a place of honor in human civilization. From ancient tales of immortality and the changing seasons to its role as a symbol of abundance and prosperity, the pomegranate's allure remains timeless. As we savor its delicious taste and embrace its enchanting legacy, we continue to celebrate the fascinating story of this remarkable fruit, a story worthy of admiration and exploration for generations to come.